Hi all, this is Gunjan Gupta. So today we will cover date and time. So let's get started. Java dates. Java does not have inbuilt date class, okay? But we use import java.time package to work with date and time API. The package includes many date and time classes. For example, local date with respect to date, year, month, and like this format. Okay. Local time represented time, hour, minute, second, nanoseconds. Okay, like that. Local date and time represents both date and time, like this date and this. Okay, both are merged here. Date time formatter for displaying passing of date time object. Okay, now we will move forward. Display current date and time. How? This local my object and local dot now you will write now. When you will write now, to me it means today date and time. Okay, and this object we are printing. So today's date will be printed. Okay, so local date, and this now today's date is printed. Okay, you can go through it. Display current time. So local object we have created, local time now, and system.println, and this object we have printed. So this is the time of current time is printed. Okay, display current date and time. Okay, so local date and time dot now dot of println and print this. So this is the date and then t and then the time. So like this it is printed. Formatting date and time. Okay, the t in the example above is used to separate the date from time. You can use the datetime formatter class with off pattern method in the same package to format or pass date and time object. Okay, like this. Okay, local date and time, and now current date and time we will get it. Before formatting, the date and time is like this. Okay, this differentiating na t is there. Now we want like this, so we have to format it. Okay, date time formatter we will be using time formatter. Okay, off pattern. Now whatever pattern we are giving here, it will be printing like that. So dd mm and like this date, hours, minutes, seconds. Okay, now string format date, my date. So this object we have called dot format this date. Okay, after formatting this date is printed. Okay, so you can go through this. Okay, so off pattern, like this value also you can give, like this date also can be printed, like this also be printed, like e means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, day of the month, and then you can, so you can try all these things. Okay, it will work fine. I have already tried it. Okay, if you have any issue, please comment, and please subscribe my channel, like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.